TV point. So here is summer internship opportunity from the Microsoft company. So at different locations. So here you can see that overview of the opportunity. So at Microsoft, interns work on real-world projects in collaboration with the teams across the world while having fun along the way. So you will be empowered to build community, explore your passions, and achieve your goals. This is your chance to bring your solutions and ideas to life while working on cutting edge technology. So eligibility is you're currently pursuing bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering field. So currently pursuing 25, 20, 26 batch students can apply for it, and responsibilities are mentioned here. You can go through it, and benefits and perks are also mentioned here. You can also go through it. So the interested students can apply for it. The link is provided in the description box, and share to all your friends, those who are in need and interested to apply, grab the opportunity. So thank you all, and like the video without fail for better reach.